Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, o magandang gabi. O anumang oras na panoodin niyo ang video ito. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan. Sa oras po na ito ay ating pag-aralan is the equation of parallel lines. So from our previous video, we have equation of straight line in point slope form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. The slope of parallel lines is equal. So, since ito ay parallel lines, kaya ang kanilang slope equal, parehas, no? As what we said in our previous video. M1 equals M sub 2. Meaning, if the equation of line 1 is y equals m sub 1 x plus b, then the equation of line 2 is equals to y equals m sub 1 x plus c. Ibig sabihin, their slope is the same, but they have different y-intercept. Example 1. Determine the equation of line A that passes through point 3, 7 if it is parallel to line B with an equation of y equals negative 2/3 x plus 9. So ito yung solution natin. We have to find first the given. Given line A passes to point 3, 7 where the x sub 1 is equals to 3 and y sub 1 equals 7. And line B, the equation is y equals negative 2/3 x plus 9. In this case, ang kanyang slope based on the equation y equals mx plus b, so ang kanyang slope ay negative 2/3. So yun yung slope ng line B. And since slope of line A is equal to the slope of line B, so it is equals to negative 2/3. Using the formula y equals m times x minus x sub 1 plus y sub 1, okay, ito yung makukuha natin. We have to substitute all the data. Ang slope ay negative 2/3, tapos ang x sub 1 ay 3, ang ating y sub 1 ay 7. So negative 2/3 times x minus 3 plus 7. So negative 2/3 x plus 2. So sana kuha si 2. Negative 2/3 times negative 3. Since makancel natin si 3, so 2 na lang matitira. Ang negative times negative is positive. So that is positive 2 plus 7. So we got y equals negative 2/3 x plus 9. Okay? So ibig sabihin, y equals negative 2/3 x plus 9, yun po yung ating answer. Example 2. Determine the equation of line C that passes through point negative 1, negative 5 if it is parallel to line D that passes to point 5, 2 and 7, 10. So in this case, we have to solve first the line D. Ang given ng line D, ang P1 ay 5, 2, and that is x sub 1 equals 5 and y sub 1 is 2. At point 2, 7, 10. Ang x sub 2 ay 7, y sub 2 is 10. So kukunin natin yung slope. Ang slope ng line D, from the formula slope equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So 10 minus 2, and that is 8. Ang ating run naman ay 7 minus 5 is 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So ang slope ng line D ay 4. So ang line C naman natin, ang point niya is negative 1, negative 5. So ang x sub 1 ay negative 1, ang y sub 1 ay negative 5. Ang slope ni line C is equal to the slope of line D. So m sub D equals 4. So therefore m sub C is 4 also. So again, we have the y equals m times x minus x sub 1 plus y sub 1. Substitute natin yung ating given. Ang slope ay 4. Tapos, x sub 1 negative 1, and y sub 1 is negative 5. So, distribute natin si 4, that is 4x, tapos negative times, negative 1 is positive 1, so 4 times 1 is 4, minus 5. So, that is 4x minus 1. So, 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So, ang answer natin is y equals 4x minus 1. So, yun po yung equation nung line C. Okay? Example 3, determine the equation of line A that passes through point 7, 4 if it is parallel to line B with a slope of m equals negative 3. So, ang given naman natin dito ay slope, no, and point. So, line A, point natin 7, 4, and so, ang x sub 1 natin ay 7, y sub 1 is 4. Ang slope natin ng line B is negative 3. So, slope ng line A equals the slope ng line B, and that is equals to negative 3. So, again, using our formula, substitute lang natin yung given data. Ang slope natin ay negative 3 times x minus 7. Ang ating x sub 1, ang y sub 1 natin is 4. So, negative 3x plus 21. So, negative 3 times negative 7 is positive 21 plus 4. So, 21 plus 4 is 25. So, that is negative 3x plus 25. So, ang ating final answer, y equals negative 3x plus 25. So, that is our equation of the parallel lines. So, yun yung equation ng line A. No? So, these are your activities. Try to answer this, no, at your home o siguro personally, and try to reply kayo kung tama ba yung maging sagot nyo. Okay, so that is 1 to 7. So this is for 5, 6, 7. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I hope you will subscribe in this channel, and don't forget to like and share, no, doon sa mga may kakilala kayo na mga nag-aaral din ng analytic geometry. Salamat and God bless.